Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Google reverse image search on mobile app. Let's get started. So open up Google app in your mobile device and then log in to your account. This is the easiest way to do a reverse image search. So once logged in, at the right side of the search bar, simply tap on the camera icon, then tap on allow. This opens Google Lens, which powers image searching. You'll now see three options. Search using a camera. Simply tap on search with your camera, then point it at the object you want to search. Option number 2 is to simply upload a photo. Tap on this little icon, then choose the image from the gallery. Option number 3 is simply screenshot any detection. Lens automatically shows your recent screenshot at the very top, then tap on any screenshot to research it instantly. Google will now show you a visually similar images, a website that uses that image, product link if it's a product, related search, and source website. You can scroll down to see where the image appears online. That is how you can use Google reverse image search. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.